Abusua maami Akosua say one lawyer I friend say lawyer Sheila our outside abedi nkomo e de amachim legal wife na abusua ensem a wo ka no uni say Sheila e trans na wodi nkomo a utumi say wodi nkomo a na odi nkomo no enya ya no fo ediebie nkomo emu ode na emu ohwam e na wodi na de ensem e na this time around Sheila e kan over that room by the properties say wodoblo ni sabeka bi say ne nsanka bi say 50-50 ansa na ma ache de osomo che say mama Akosua sawa edi ni 50% ansa na ma ache na baby mama fo nso edu omoma abaji omo de baby mama bia nka ho especially wodoblo ni onka japade bia ho Sheila abedi nkomo a mepese ye beko ye kwakotie ni nkomo ni bi edi abale ba ni atoa so edi amawo aha eguso eye Daily Gossip TV yeje nkomo ni bi amfama
ebisa Sheila because yenya ne ebi anyambo echina no ne yenya no ya china no kra yesimu dada nti wo question bi a opeso obusa na eja wa messi bi no aba bebisa sweet me siu kakra wai ohima wo question ana
ohima nai akwa abamboa
na US for the musi dem mother
no Auntie Sheila bide emrani de binimo binibia nyina na me daadan
me say je eja kofi usudi ayeye no so be mama da
wagani aja usu wagani
Yeah, you don't go.
Me pacho ohima wo question Sheila
me de bibia question bia no me no obi amawale mrani ni de question baby me de bibia
unim bibia o yes
Auntie Sheila me de bibia o me de me da na mada because me nim say omunim say ba bia de na kwa akoduru no
me pacho ebinum wo ho a me drop mo na ebinum aba body me hu se wini question
wanna see your him
me ana me see no me pacho e wo se me see me peke ebinum ebia na me pacho mo amafa mo no mo amowo question mutimi busa ohima ya ayi me pacho me setchum me pacho wo question
More question.
Pacho. Jesus, me pacho what question? Me pacho Mr. Chum with our question.
Okay, but maybe Sheila say for years now, Presla Atsana a dining mono. Sisi ano nya statutory tenant ana.
Hold on, Mr. Chum. What's not a dining mo said?
Wo say what dining mo?
Maybe what's not dining me patch Mr. Chum. Maybe hold on, Mr. Chum and you be busa say utime. Me pesa ya ne a yes scenario. Enti na da bia na ya na me pesa ya de ya ho yes scenario ni atna ya tenyo manase me patch utime. Say nyo ofri ho na okotena ho meboa. A dine me buso, a dine ya ne dia.
Anya ne dia.
Okay, why dine no?
Nipa na okotena ne nchen dan.
Nipa na we he.
Nipa ni ho.
Me pacho wa we he oni ho timi ye we tu kwan wa ye we. Nipa na we he.
Nipa na wu.
Aha, ade na ya busa question I must say we. O kai so me betna ka kire mo say. So obi hu a woni lawyer cause nipa na wu contract na end. Me pacho me bo me busa. Me kan ya lawyer na be me kan ya kwansa na lawyer be ka. Lawyer kan o mo se lawyer na eboa nso nkofo bon o mo nsuan bibia. Me pacho nipa na wu a. Nipa na ode na betna dan ni mawu a. Me pacho ne power wa hen biem.
Na me pesa o church o.
Me busa o de wait be wi an mama wa busa question me pesa me ye busa we ni e de to abonti me busa o. Nipa na we o si nipa na wu. Mr. Chum, o de makọ baby. O de me call baby no. Wo ni ho, wo wawu. Baby na o de me call ye no. Enye wo nko awo de ye wo ni obi dia. Wo ni obi dia na wo wawu a. Make me asa atna ho wu din mo.
There be.
Okay. Into busa question.
Now my question is say,
Mhm.
where authorities are rent acting. No be can eviction. Who has say what is your survey na eviction notice. And I mean, busa question say, according to the law, no, on your statutory tenant and
Actually, statutory. What does it mean when we say something is a statutory? Mr. Chume patch off our phone. Make
my
I don't know the chairman, Mr. Kim.
what's the meaning of statutory?
Statutory.
Yeah, statutory. What's the meaning of statutory?
Something that is required or governed by statute.
Can you read it from the web?
Internet. Sheila Atiako.
Internet can give us the same definition. So whether we use the internet or anything, we can still find the same Oxford definition. And to make patcho search what's the meaning of statutory tenant? Mr. Chumbodo. Me patcho utime. Yeah, obi oha only meaning of statutory. When awaba no abeka something which is described or which is said as statutory. You find the meaning of statutory. It means it. And I will start stating say statutory tenant. Into me patch of our phone and check it. Statutory means what was the meaning of the statutory?
Any something which is required or governed by statute, which is a law or regulation created by
a law or regulation, right? Okay. And to me patcho, find the meaning of statutory tenant.
Is a tenant who remains in occupation of a property after the expiration of their original lease or tenancy agreement, but is protected by statute from being evicted.
So statutories are rules and regulations that are made by the state. And to Bronii, statute, which statute or which status or status protected?
Rent Act.
Okay, not a rented dino.
There we.
Or rented dino. Why not? Then cut na dino.
Na me must say.
Me question. Oh,
me person me.
My young utie me. Obi wo hwa. Only meaning of the statutory. Una wakofa babro focus here. Me na tie kra say only. Enti me patcho my young who meaning no. Ye wi ana wo asem na wo ka no. Wafa aka ho abeka. Me patcho feedback we're trying to. If you are listening to yourself, can you mute or lower yourself, please? Okay, that's fine. O say when a tifi ho. Me busa say. O say obia. A statute are rules or regulation or laws that are passed. And so be a statute a protecting. Me busa se statute ben a protecting also a tenant fine. Me busa se on hind die or sit there be on hind die. Me patron wine and a dinner cut now.
Obi na dinner cut now.
Obi wine bodin unima se anka bedin komo me patron. I am wine at dinner cut now.
Me say be to say
me patron would
tell me questions am me pano.
Me patron you busa question tell me. Ye nyina ye ya konkonsa for me no sorry. Me ya konkonsani. If you say asem na nyama asem ni nya ofi asem. Abeton from him. And ye nyina ye tie bi. Into konkonsa de nyankopon say oh ya dia. ya ade ho bete na nhye medie ni monyam enti konkonsa ya ye di ni nyina ye di konkonsa ni onyankopɔn gidie mu a ye de befa Yesu Kristo so na akodjuru nanim na wahu se memai konkonsa mu de ye konkonsa papa na abone na wabu ya tan wo ho bakofa brofo kese aba ya ba explain meba hold on
sana question number
enya rational meba
na
ye
koye ti se bia me kasa ma
obi nkasa wo kasa ma me pacho wuti bakofa brofo kakraka statutory me kwa minti bida minti bido me kasa minti bida e bia betimi aya ampa na e betimi aya ntwe se ya babusemu me pacho hwan na de ne kotena fi ho
Daddy Lumba
Daddy Lumba Daddy Lumba de Lumba fuodo so Lumba be ya me pacho
Charles Kojofosu
okay me pacho Charles Kojofosu se o hen
wo
enti me pacho nipa na wawu na o de ne kotena fi ho no statute be na e protecting nipa na o da so ti fi ho no cause na nipa ni ntwa rent nipa na o de na kotena ho ewu enti me pacho de na e protecting no cause statutes are laws
me
pacho hold on ye busa ye wiane akoye nim enti na me busa so o twa rent so won twa rent nipa na o de ne kotena o he nipa na ewu me busa say wona akofa statutory tenant ebaye who is a tenant ya anko definition even for a tenant enti say me busa say nipa na ode na kotena ho ewu na which statute protects the girl again
and na me say obusa me say rent act no provisions bi wo mu a protect obi a wakotena obi fie for a certain period of time
sir and asanka do proper for anko muti new site anka say anko munyina ye fie ra meboa sa na rent act natural di ntina anka do proper ni betina ofia na wanchi ni betina afia utimi money free ho sanko mo wa birchi anko mato dan anko fo na ehwe so nyina anka e be free into rent act bay anona me busa no rent act bay cause rent dey na rent me pacho ye ka rent ade na rent unfa phone hwa ade ma me why me pacho fa phone hwa ade ma me say sia rent here day.
Rent is a payment made by a tenant to a landlord for the use of a property or asset.
Okay, what's a tenant?
Typical tenant.
Yeah, meaning of a tenant.
A tenant is an individual organization that occupies a property or asset owned by another party, known as the landlord, in exchange for rent payments.
Okay, me pacho, yebusa also onye payment. Yebusa the ordinary kotna hewu. And statutory act banner a protecting it at this point. We're explaining rent. Now we're explaining tenant now. The statutory law now kind of which one protects it at this point?
A payment can be made in cash or kind.
Payment can never be made in kind. Pepacho payment. Meaning of payment. Mame Kofa, let me grab my laptop. Let's get this on. One moment. Let me grab my laptop real quick. What's payment?
Kofa laptop. I'm making my baby.
I'm right here. I'm just right here. It's just a hand away.
The TNS say.
Word and any the TNS me pacho wuti me.
Now person make example.
Menkasa makase me pacho mama was makase me paso bekasa. No, hold on me pacho obi betnya you know. Me pacho makase me manenkasa.
Nkasa why?
Me pacho mama was na apart from Queen Emmanuel. Makasa mema Mr. Chumunkasa. Me pacho
me shasi na nkasa kra no. Benyambusa.
Dintia me kasa minimum tie me.
Me yes me ka bibia na obisa me questions.
Me ba tie me. Me ba.
So ma me come asema me
come. No me ba.
Na so obisa me questions.
Dintia me di kan amaya church mu ne say obi wo ho a nkomo hyew obetie no akọ. The statutory now obe meki no obi wo ho a they don't even know what it is. But what is a walk no? Next time, okofa sa nkomo no. E na akoka wo baabi. Asedi wonim asem ni mu. Enti mimi baby on common ekokosi.
Nti ka me kasi
I won't lie to you. Hold on, me pacho utemio. Hold on, and until me pese, yenina ye. And until me ma who explaining statutory, what explaining rent, what explaining tenant, what explaining to say yeah, what's so nyina no. Ye ni meaning of in summer yabubosu nyina no. And to so busa question na. Bi anya me kwa na me ya no. Obi foforo na be ya no if he say ya church mama obi ate asemase me pacho utemi o cause statutory no obi ho onim tenant obi ho onim rent obi onim bibia enti say no yeah explaining me pacho mute ho kakra I can hear my voice at the back enti say no yeah explaining no ubusa question na enye me kwa na me ya no cause en common na amana ye dey aba what's the nature no into me patch the any payment Mr. Chum
payment no
what's the meaning of payment? Your payment obi a payment obi a payment ama me nye payment ketua ye na namoka the any payment
aba me kan no ama me kan
because okay say payment can be made in kind and no dey kasa ya nyina ye ka bi nti me pese ye ho legal meaning British for na de brofo by no my Australian, Irish, Canadian, American, Swiss English bebre version bebre but only English ye British. Into me patcho payment, what's the meaning of payment?
And a law payment typically refers to the transfer of money or its equivalent to satisfy a debt or obligation. Another payments can take the various forms, including cash payment, electronic payments, payment in kind.
Me pacho payment in kind. Oh, share where you know where? Cause anyway, which website are you? Which website?
Me use Chat GTP.
Okay, let me go to Chat GPT 2 and see what you're trying to say, cause it's different. Cause the payment is the act of transferring money or value to a person or businesses in exchange of goods, services, or to settle a debt. Also Chat GPT into me pacho. Hold on. Manachim, me pacho busa question. GPT na ma share version corona me hu answer na ma o na nti me pacho busa question no.
Me question na mpese me busa Nkansah no. Na said there.
Me pacho question na nka opposite.
Na me question is say me taba platform so na me so mo say o ye lawyer. Wo chire
Me a lawyer. Me ba ha no ma state. Ma ba ha kra be ka chiro bi se lawyer ye mfa ye no endi lawyer. And lawyer enye be hankwa na magina ma ka chire me nka se me a lawyer. We have two types of lawyer. A general lawyer and a practicing lawyer. Me pacho me nya mu bia me nka se me a lawyer. Me ba me se me ye wenchi. Me nya lawyer wo baby a ena me ba ha enya se me be church mu nsem ye be din komo to se de me ka se ye konkonsa fa ye di konkonsa wo erade oba eja anim me pacho Chat GPT version be na we use it
4
sweet generator me pacho betimi aba so obi betimi apeke sweet generator Akosua ama me we're using a version because Chat GPT explanation how the my no a wrong explanation. Cause mema ko Chat GPT me kasa me ko no. Me mpese me read it from me end. Na ya kasa me na me read it na bibisa. Cause payment can never be in kind. And no, and I meant as cause me what Chat GPT as we speak. Chat GPT and state explanation now my and internet me busa say which version of Chat GPT. Me pacho sweet generator or anybody or use it Chat GPT. Me pacho ko Chat G use it Chat GPT.
Me pacho me wa upgraded version.
Okay, me pacho ko meaning of payment ni ansha there.
Okay. So the word payment means the act of giving money or something of value to someone in exchange for goods and services or to settle a debt or obligations. Everyday use. I made a payment for my phone bill.
Okay. And a state financial obligation, meboa.
Yes, a debt or obligation.
Estate payment is kind. To say Mr. Chumuridian.
No.
Also, value.
Something of value.
I'm a type of person, things come to me at night. And Anajuna, Nipana, me say, imagine ye Jman, Ajopine, me Davia. Because at night, things just comes to me straight away. Already, and I'll say, okay, kind. I don't know what says someone, because in command, I ain't in a yedi.
Mrs. Make Cadia, make Cassie, and Cadia, Karin.
Not to the opportunity, me say, no,
now with the Maya and Mr. Chum. And as you see, I yet poor be or no to credit the same charge GPT. Then you bay, I
say,
also.
What law mono. And yet, Google near the other year.
Okay, and I am I'm sorry, okay, I'm hold on. Me da was I am for Google and Tunchain, oh, color, hello. Okay, ask my question. Ask any question you want to ask. Ask, go ahead.
The law no na me bisa.
What is the law? What does the law say?
Law mono Google near the other.
I understand Google doesn't work at the law court, but you brought up, you raised some concerns into what does the law say? What's your question? Go ahead. What is your question?
So the tennis. Na me bisa say. Nipa no abetena efie ho. So kwatena obi fie kra.
And I mean bisa say otena efie ho say. O say otena efie ho ontua rent meba obi ti fie say tenant. Me pa choma mo osu nyina munyi maso. Mama comment section nyina me pa choma mo osu nyina munyi maso. Na yentie na question na obusa no. Yetie na question na explanation na ye di kind of my no. Enu a be ma yet media answer the question no. Inti me pa chato aso. Emran is to say, what does the law say? Go ahead.
So, Nipana abetene fio for a certain period of time. So, obi ebe fio legally. Na the time or so. Na on call ya or a statutory tenant. Ubeti na just okobo quarter manu. Sisi and sana. And then
the same way sweet generator ubusaya no enya sana me catcher me explaining etro ways and means. Okay. I am the also go ahead Mr. Tim.
Na obi wo ha o enta efie no illegally. Na the time okra illegally no etu na ombese butro no a tenancy at sufferance. Enti na me bisa say nipa no the allow say obey mo legally because that lumba and a coffin bem. There's or no one in Nipan or na abefie ho. So on betina fie ho. And effective occupation.
What's effective occupation? So bro for akese no. And then alcohol by ya na me pese. Yeah, explaining me pacho.
And can be kasi na what to
hold on. Uteme. Me ji achine pejuma me ye achine na me ye me je me ye twa meka ade a me mpani obi o ye kanana oka asem ne sesi a no aka asem foforo woma wo explanation me busa wo say o se kind me say emrani me ye adwuma se da bi Google e wo ho ye kwohwe chat GPT e bi ani ho me mpesa be ye a free me kwa me pa hold on and I'm ma ye fa obi e wo from man e ba asro nipa ne ba asro no nipa na be state me pa ye ka effective occupation I mean tia say effective occupation say
so obi ete the occupy premise obi te dan bi mo
me pacho fa effective occupation obia me pacho
me wo ha say
okay what's effective occupation
effective occupation
Mr. Chum hold on me no me sing come na wo starting
ana me say
hold on Mr. Chum me pacho
Mr. Chum me cry effective occupation me ntiase enti say
obi me chieche me nyi kwazo kobusa gogo I also
give the best answer.
What is Google? What is the meaning of Google? No. What's the meaning of Google? Do you work? Oh yeah, Juma court.
Me law degree.
Maybe law degree in which law degree are you holding?
Bachelor of Laws, so Ghana.
Bachelor of Laws, and which field did you specialize in?
Ghana,
which law
specialize it.
Yes, specialize it. Oh, let me hold my weight.
Oh boy.
Ghana yen specialize it.
Yes, specialize it, Mr.
Ghana yen specialize it field.
Yes, specialize it field.
Me patron, why not the law? The great me patron miano. Why not the law about Ghana?
Oh.
Me busawo Ghana near te hono. Why not the law about Ghana my yesuya? Me patron me busawo. Why not the law about Ghana my yesuya?
No, they say what that.
I wa hin if we hin e buy.
Oh, what that?
Common law na me patron British. And the law e buy. Am I yesuya intense law e wa hoda.
Before common law, or customary law, we be a hoda that.
Yeah, customary also.
There been any part of the laws.
Me specialize it. Also want specialize it.
Mon frère,
me patron law to ben alcohol Ghana. Me patron hold on, law school ben alcohol Ghana.
O say
law school ben alcohol Ghana.
Sheila Okoke UST.
Me patron Ken UST department bay.
Faculty of Law.
Nana Faculty of Law. Me ba uniano no.
No, my me ba minimum.
Me patron tu be near me tu ho ama me why. Your friend Anama, your friend Mr. Chim. Me patron Mr. Chim, Faculty of Law or Professor ni bi omu bi din ye day.
Professor Zaneja.
Okay, and it's our professor na no obano. Na or chair law subject bay.
No, or chair administrative law, public international law.
And it's also law no, yen specialize me boy. Into then as our professor no, or what type of law or bachelor. Even though so or law teacher no, then or what type of law or bachelor.
So Ubusam say yes specialize courses.
Yes, specialize it into general law, right?
Yeah, mama, selected number of law courses.
Who's your general law?
It's in area barrister and solicitor. Yeah, because
meba. That is so. Meba, hold on. And common at churching come over. Meba. Olon na Westiano. Me pacho usian lono. Send a beya ubehu. Nimdia wa long man asa usian lono. Send a beya ube tro to bar. Ube practice law. Emudia intina okusian law.
To become a barrister and solicitor.
To become a barrister, and you know, say a barrister, you need to write an entrance, not send a bear, obey. And only said to be a barrister or a counselor at law, no, or an attorney at law, no, you need to have a field that or specialize in meboa. And that's all general law. We are general law and solicitor. What is the meaning of a sweet generator? For nation meaning of solicitor, mami.
Yeah. La.
Okay. So a solicitor is a type of lawyer who gives legal advice, prepares legal documents, and often represents clients in lower courts.
Okay. Meaning of attorney.
Okay. An attorney is a person who is legally authorized to act on someone else's behalf, especially in legal matters.
Counselor at law. Can you search for counselor at law?
Counselor
at law. Like counselor.
Counselor and law?
At law.
At law, okay. A counselor at law means the same thing as a lawyer or an attorney, someone who is qualified and licensed to give legal advice and represent clients in courts.
Can you search for advocate?
An advocate.
Yeah.
An advocate is a lawyer who speaks or acts on someone's behalf, especially in court.
Mr. Chim, also a solicitor, a different from there. Now what can be? Now it's a solicitor.
Say Ghana no. Be a lawyer, a barrister and solicitor. Nimunu ni ekabo dem amount.
A barrister, na me pacho. You share meaning of barrister. If you're a barrister and a solicitor, you know, ensure the same thing. A accolades. Whether barrister, whether attorney, whether counsel at law, or DNA, you know, I accolades. I am running. You know, actual lawyer, a practicing lawyer. Into me pacho but our question.
Now me question, me say na obi kase ya man eviction notice no. Na ebetimi etu ne saa na onye statutory tenant ana. Na me question.
People say what is a tenant? And me pacho bi was so apart from sweet generator. Me pacho nanama.
Sheila.
Yeah, cast a tenant. What is a tenant? Because you know, read you, men perceive Queen Amana the Great Bay involved. About you academy bay, I'm yini sin chain plus. And common me perceive ye mu send a bay and yes, will be mum na air cash share no. Me pacho ye ready tenant. Let them say JGM Obi waswa. Me pacho ye ready tenant. Diana ye tenant. Me pacho ye ready tenant oh. JGM. Me pacho the great. Let them say anyway. No months me answer me pacho drop your mo. And then anama no. Cause nanama me busa what is a tenant to the great me pacho drop your mo nefo omo wasi on.
Inti tenant. Met makasa.
Debbie me pese be yon kwa. Onse mi ni moda. Okay. And then na mabe hu ha. Me ma go so na kasa bebre ye be say ya ball pan so why? Me pacho nti. Me pacho the great drop here pay to mama why? Me pacho obi wasi ho a peki obi o wasi ho mama why? Bronii.
Hi.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Can you just look up the meaning of a tenant? I don't know if you were here when we discussed it earlier. Anybody, please? Hey, Sarah.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good, Sheila. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Can you look up the meaning of tenant for us, please? Gracia, no, I see her. Me pachon huna on pekini mame. She too can explain some things too.
Tenant is somebody. No, now for me and I'm
me pacho ya Fada da auntie yeah you ready. Sarah, please, Miss Sarah. Miss Sarah.
Yes, a tenant is a person who occupies a land or property, rent.
She keeps on breaking up. Bronii, JGM.
Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you. We can hear you. What's a tenant?
So a tenant is a
okay, mama. A tenant will be occupied as and a property landlord of the man.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And we've already explained the meaning of statutory, right?
Yeah, it's set of laws, right?
What did you say?
Set of laws?
No, a person who is protected by a statute of law.
Okay.
Mr. Chim, all girl not nephew her as a tenant, meboa. Ain't what nephew her chain to be protected now. And I abusa, so what obi bet me ask the duty of a tenant. What's the duty of a tenant? Anybody? Duty of a tenant. JGM me pacho the great drop your mo. The sweet generator me pacho mute who I mebusa. The reason I'm in person obey involved ness I'm in person be only from your side. Right. Me pacho be bet me the great me pacho be into me me pacho drop in
pay the rent on time.
Some enyamia.
Debbie Anyawa, Mr. Chim. Me Pacho, what's the duty of a tenant?
Pay the rent on time.
Pay the rent of that. And Mr. Chim, and what makes the girl a tenant? To be protected by that statute of law.
Or premises.
Me put some and you want to catch it. Who tell me?
Who said the question? I mean, maybe because from
me Pacho, who tell me?
Now our rental agreement.
Oh,
Debbie, who the Bronii hold on.
who said a question?
Who tell me? Who started say who be question? Meaning, baby, I won't come or echo. And to me, far every single word that okay, am I explaining every single word.
I know what I was a question. Me can't hear.
Debbie, what was some question? Who was some question? Say, girl, not nephew, what channel? Statutory tenant law and protection.
Me say on statutory tenant na say me say me na be.
And what was some question? And I say me smart question. I can consult for you so. And I mean, busa say what's a tenant? Almost you be a landlord. Landlord or landlady at the diamond. Yabusa, what's the duty of a tenant? Oma explaining duty. And I mean, busa say, and the explanation ya yamaye, me pacho be ye dede. Me pacho lower yourself. Explanation ya yademaye. Girl no oya tenantana. Wana me pese wo answer ho. Question na webusa me no. Me pese explanation na yadiamano. Wa wo answer ho. Enti girl no oya tenantana.
Let me say according to law. No,
Mr. Chumenya, according to law. Girl, no. Me busa, sir, according to law. Okay, me busa.
Mr. Chum. Let me say, or your tenant.
Girl, no, your tenant. What makes her a tenant?
When she doesn't pay rent.
Because or to her with the permission of the owner. Also,
or to her with the permission of the owner, right?
That is so.
Okay, owner anyway.
Owner no.
And to where you then a permission here, Juma.
It is statutory tenant and started with bra.
Okay. Meba into meba hold on. Listen, Mr. Chum. People don't brag when we come here. Some of us own, and you're bragging, we own property. And we know what the law says or state. And to walk past some in baby or walk man akoju. Or say or your tenant. Yebusa meaning of a tenant. Ya mani pa obi a wo so bia ama wo meaning of a tenant. Tenant obi a ochia rent. O start me busa say girl ni chia rent o si there bi. Why na dey net partner fi o silumba na silumba be o si Charles kojo fosu. O wa hen o so okọ baby na me say there bi enye okọ baby o wa hen o so wagu. Enti so one no tenancy agreement kra ni pa na wu. Aya dey na ya valid. So I tenant me bo ni pa na o dey ne partner. Ika ben na ochia man enye mi ntwa no. Mempe kanana ena mempe asama ye kanda edane no
kanana mami kasana ntama no ami si ana
ya tenant or your tenant in which way usi obi na dene kotena ho enti me pacho obi di wo kotena fie na oye tenant a unchia rent assign your friend Mr. Chumi busa also ye adwuma wo court
me Nkansah me ye adwuma wo court o busa me Nkansah
oh sorry also wesuan law kakra enti me pacho de na chere ye di obi kotena fie a tenant kotena fie
eye obi the time aso na ontua dan ne kanti dia e ma we time so ye ne se nipa no a o ma ne permission so
me pacho nya no na wo busa ye o question wo busa ye ne se
o statutory tenant ho asem na me busa ye
tina ma me fancy si ana wa ka statutory tenant
statutory tenant ma me nchim
ye di kan enya wo be chechim fa ko be chechim
na me say mo da ma me nkasa nsi me si ana wa bem the tell say statutory tenant no obi a ne
time statutory tenant obi a betimi afa ne phone
obi a ne time
hold on brofo queen na den brofo buy
hold on me nkasa
hold on me ma nkasa nsi tie me queen na den brofo buy brofo bia wa explanation unim sa every brofo bia e wo word ye di kan explain it but mesa ma ye explain it me patch obi mfa ne phone generator me patch off our phone mami why because your phone has an Oxford dictionary eguso me patch statutory tenant HRSA Shosmaye it's a person who after their first term lease or tenancy agreement has expired, is legally permitted to continue occupying a property under the protection of a statute such as rent control laws. Okay, so Busame, let me explain it to you. Sweet generator. Okay. Fixed term lease. No, get on no lease.
Only lease.
Get on no lease.
Only lease.
Okay.
No lease.
And Mr. Chume Pacho, I hear that kind girl not qualify for statutory.
You need to have a lease.
Maybe sweet generator. Okay, so castle hind dying. Me explaining what the natural, explaining how a bay actual. Me Pacho, Mr. Chum. Then a man girl near tenant. What's your been at dinner cut now? Yeah, meaning of a tenant. Obia o chia danka, ye busa so chia danka debi. And how does the statutory tenant not a protector no? Before rent control comes in, I had a protector no. Mibo, Mr. Chum, I had a protector no.
Nkansah.
Yeah, go ahead, meet
Ubusa se kwan be no fa so ye tenant.
Me debi me busa. What is the tenant ya she? Also papa me busa kwan, also papa ne de bet na ho. Me busa papa ne way, me pacho hold on, me pacho team. Papa ne way, also papa ne wu. Into a protected by statutory tenant. And that's that statutory tenant no. Through rent control bebem. Nipa no end now forever. Girl no lease, me busa, o lease.
Only lease.
On sweet generator. Okay, so me sure say. Omo man eviction notice now. Through rent control. Rent control be man time out on free. Yes. That statutory tenant no. Play. That's when a place.
But only lease.
Me pacho only lease a crown so obi na den court na ho. Ti nipa na wu. Enti sa ho no. Meaning I know the question that he was asking. And I know all that he's asking. Baby be kwakusi. Cause who the can be busa my explaining.
And also about word be so effective occupation.
Me pacho.
Me so be keka nyoma bom. Me obusa.
Yeah, keka nyoma bom. Go ahead. Me ba and you me busa question I matter but me busa get on your tenant. Get on your tenant. Mr. Chum, get on your tenant.
Ubusa me no my year no so or your tenant.
What makes a person a tenant?
And I'm say ote premises no. Because of obi permission. Inti permission na obi di ama nipa no ewu nti e chese tenants na expire. And when the banny buyer says statutory tenant no
okay. And that statutory tenant no man it's not for forever and I say what limit
now forever.
Okay.
Inti na me pesa be basis no.
As we generator me part what was question way.
Well, inti
tenancy. What was question now Mr. Chumu busa what was our question?
Mebisa but me manfa and no Mr. Chum pesa or the two say. Me ba Mr. Chum tio.
Sweet generator, don't divert. What the mute no Nkansah me pacho. Go ahead, Mr. Chum.
Go ahead. Nkansah,
Debbie Nkansah. Sweet generator me pacho mute ho. Me pacho go ahead, Kasa.
Mr. Chum. What is the eviction notice be abrem? E ho na me type wa say o say. And the abrem na nipa no go so a the abrem ko da so timu. Inti the inti order so team no onye statutory tenant ana inti no order so team no sa na anene ade nyina me be say ayo
inti say no dey aboni nyina atofa no dey na answer be na dey ma
inti the tell say nipa no statutory tenant inti just osa efa legal process mo odoko high court na
high court na ye de kokotu obi
Sana rent act neka.
Rent act na sana chiro eka. Me pacho who is a tenant? What's a rent? Dia na your rent.
Recovery and possession or person would tuni free.
Dia na your rent. Me pacho dia na your rent. Your car rent what is rent? Dia na your rent.
Rent medical read.
Debbie dia na your rent. Dia na your rent.
Who provide goods and services be.
Goods and services. Then they provide goods and services.
When take question answer.
Then they provide goods and services through trade, right?
So the sika na so the goods and services ever GID.
Goods and services bay. And or girl ne they call or the TVO.
Said the minimum say yes as a house help.
Okay. And when I don't know now.
That lumber.
Okay, enti nipa na wote ase ana wawu.
Wawu nti abasa the tenancy no I expire.
Okay, me patcho enti nipa na ode ne kwatena meba hold on.
Hey, what
tenancy agreement?
Tenants with rent.
Our tenancy agreement.
Rent loss.
Hold on. Meba, hold on. What rented dinda?
By rented dinda.
Oh, rented dinda. Ufiera peso otuna moko rent control. If you're ano, and you're my banner or submit my rent for.
Me in two me be dent me.
Oh, me busa me peso ko rent control cause me sa wa baso. Ochina kraminya time a me pet time me pese. Oko rent control. Me sa wa baso. Me pese me sa wa baso. Me busa o fear peso too. Nasa oko rent controller. Ade ni ebusa fear ne say. E mani ye fear. Enyo ma be ni ebusa fear.
So the chase or if you need or if you
Meba utimi fie. O Mr. Chumutimi fie. Me pese me too to say yes also hindine. Na ma rent for her. Me the manual for customer rent here. Me ye fear rent for ne beji atmana.
mobile agreement krono.
Meba enya agreement answer. Agreement meba.
So
meba to Mr. Chumutimi. O hindine wo me ho. Wow, hindine wo me ho no. Mema kose me ye fear. Me pacho mute ho. I can hear myself at your background. Obi a mute no ho kwa. Minim se oba for information purposes. I won't lie to you. Because obi a mute no ho. Debbie, you can unmute yourself. Onkwana or Mr. Chum unmute ho. Onkwana Mr. me voice wo background, meaning some recording is going on. And I saw the phone for fruity. Ain't me pacho lower that phone for na laptop na bibia oditi. Why?
Main TV before.
What you put mute ho? Sweet generator. Me pacho Nkansah na muntie die matron. Oh, what to say? Sweet generator.
What's the day?
Oh, what to say?
Nyamra do me hu you.
What's my voice or what back?
Debbie.
Okay. Mute ho.
Okay.
Mr. Chum.
Maybe.
Yendi nkomo. Me pacho me uti me. Sweet generator. What's the voice no way chere? Mr. Chum.
Amete.
What does it mean? It means the person is recording me boy.
Echo, yeah. There's another
me pacho uti. Meaning so the phone me or record the crime me, I don't care. But I'm trying to let you know so all the phone fufuti into me pacho lower cell phone.
I am not doing that.
Me pacho there cause open untina me ma obi a mute ne ho no. Emma me ma sweet generator mute ne ho me ne kasa ya. Obi
Sheila, meet me baby.
Hold on, me pacho. My membusa no asem. Or no neso on hindai. Mr. Chum. What me there me pese me too. Na my current for Jose. No, you good. What me there and I me pese me too. My current me pacho what him for say aye ka say.
Kumasi.
Okay, who's a Kumasi rent controller? Akwetiala side or Bako Akwetiala side or? Okay, me pacho mako Akwetiala rent control na mako rent control biya. Mako say Mr. Chumutimi demo. Me pese me tuna. Dia no mu bebusa me.
So only know what agreement tenancy agreement.
There be anya dia ne bebusa me say efie ne ye media me pacho dia ne bebusa me.
Say efie ne or dia say or efie ne papers.
Okay, so eno ne bebusa me ama ye hu say me own property na me own, right? Okay, so ye busa me na me nya sa anyoma ne ba. Na me pese me too Mr. Chuma. Dia na documents ben on mobile catch me say me fa embetre say what me them.
Tenancy agreement.
Okay, so ya before one Mr. Chum na only tenancy agreement ni bia. Me ni relation no say magiska kra ya valid.
Voidable.
Okay, avoidable, right? Cause only tenancy agreement. Girl no or tenancy agreement. O say that be usi obi na di bet now. Where we into then a girl no that's statutory tenant a protector no. How can I protect her? Cause in your maya my busa nyina o say avoidable is no. Inti ye know eya den asan your man e protect no.
The money protection is a tenancy, no say and you be an etika behind them.
What's tenancy?
Me busa.
You can't do proper mu dear say me busa. Me ama your scenario sure baby a rent control wa obet me akọ. What dia to mu say ani. Me busa so akọ renter. Dear ni ebusa fiera or se dine documents fine. Dear ni ebusa nipa na o se tenancy. Me busa so ni tenancy ni bia e avoidable o se ani. Inti dear baby. And no answer question enye ene say me pacho. And common na me ni wudi no. Me pese ye fair across. Yeah, everyday in command. Boy, ya tenant you be or hind a free landlady ho. The any payment anything by cash udiju goods and services. The any rent ye sika ye chia. Ye dike busa when statutory. Ye find the definition of statutory. And no crana ye nipa ni kuta lisa and a protector no. And some mako rent control for process no. Nipa ni kuta lease no. Why na didn't cut nephew Charles Kojofosu were here wawu cause obi wa the ono one end. Ain't here then I mean busa say statutory no brofo kese na akofa buy no a protector no and here na the protector no.
Nipa ni wu na agreement na end there no. And statutory tenancy.
Agreement papa ne ko agreement.
Osa obiti unchen da bia no kwa
obiti unchen da bia in which one say wadan fit me besra me ba wadan fit me besra me be say me busa ye nim wagina ba bia kasa na greda ana ne girl da
we are wo
me busa question me busa o teme
konsafo
I love tie me pe ye nyina ye akonkonsafo ba konkonsa no ye di mo expert cause o ye law student awako Kenya University Faculty of Law. Ukwa ya concern champion. Cause what law send be also person or practice it. You want to be an attorney at law or counselor at law into concern your field. And on me busa sa concern ya ye di nyina. Papa no wagina baby da. Akasa na irene girl na.
Oh, and men tears of can be.
Okay. Papa no wagina baby. Aka bibi say ebia ne ba na bibi eno.
Ne ba baby.
Me patron him so wadan for me bet na on chain.
Serve
wadan for bet na on chain e dia na ode ma wadan for ne bet na on chain. Ebia sweet generator wo ho. E na Mr. Chumeshia wa ha me pese oba bestra me dia na me de ebestra.
And yes.
Mr. Chumeshia wa ha say me pese me bo Mr. Chumeshia wa ha me pese obestra me dia na ode baba bestra me. Ma ama we invite I'll bet me abestra me. Me busa mama invite I'll bet me abestra me.
Baby, so mommy.
Okay, so just say what's a obima invite and send wait me abestra no. Right? Invite, how many forms of invite do we have?
Implied the express.
What's implied?
Yes, I catch him, sir.
What's implied? What is implied? Meaning of implied. What's the meaning of implied? And what's express? Mr. Chim, what's the meaning of implied?
Implied. I said, indirect. Indirect.
It's just something which is suggested, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's implied.
Express and implied.
Maybe implied yet. Oh, Mr. Chim, wait. Implied yet. Something which is just suggested, right?
Mema
wuchemu siminya bema. Maybe. Say also implied and they
express.
Okay, what's express?
So from the if you need Nkansah ho ba ho. Asama na sa de bia ya tue fu obi ho ba ho.
Okay, so what are the two forms of invite?
No.
It's written or verbal. Because implied there was suggested, hey, me crying na ya me say and ne best rami. Sana implied the tre. Me crying na ya me say ne best rami. Nti me cry me say ne best rami interest say what's a woba. But me ka say, hey, and ne dia what's a woba. Sa kwan na me dia ma on ni invitation no. Enti invitation no. O person invite you obi a. Say what's a wo tra na say wo kan. And yet, sanity, I say, on a man, a better man in chain. And to so a trono, and on a return, and all kind of verbal, or be a woo. Say a verbal, I had an edge, my intimate person who said that's statutory tenancy, no. It doesn't work for her because she's not a tenant. Because that's statutory statute of the law, no. It comes with an agreement, a lease terms, only lease terms. Terms and condition only be, and terms and condition in law can never be verbal. It's a draft. Terms and condition, Diana.
So,
ain't now what idea?
Now the Ebima Obisa on cinema. What the Bimo Biso on cinema say, be a Umiana,
Maybe I would tell me. Maybe so or yaneba, also one yaneba, me patch will be what JG, the great. Omo also no. Apart from sweet generator, Omo Makano. If they and Queen Amano, apart from Omo Makano, me patch will be answer question now. Me patch dropping a no before from bra. Me patch sweet generator, me patch on mute too. One hana me busane say, or ye papa neba, or Sidabi. Me busa Mr. Chumusa.
Battery.
Me busa na se papa na or ya papa na you or say there be me busa me busa sa.
Yeah.
Me busa sa question. Me pa cho utie me. Di ntina oba or busa another question me kaba. Di ntina oba edi 18 na utimi tuba no.
Love age.
Mr. Chum, o de me pa cho mo on mute me humba munjina so e ma mo mute me me pa se nyina ye di nkomo no. Mr. Chum, okay, we nyina ya explain what's akofa nkomo for frabetum. Nkomo na wakofa betum no. O say oye ne ba. O say me patcho busa question ni bi.
Me can say. If na the mark of it in more or your dim.
Or your tenant, right? A tenant can be anybody in Tibusa question. No? Go ahead.
It's your house help. No man permission to stay.
Okay. House help. What is me pacho obi an fan phone? Obi fan phone. Me pacho mumbo house help mame. Me pacho mamu mute me ho. Unmute yourself or buy a Bronii. Me pacho the great. Ultimate drop paper for shame. Na ye boy. Why? Me pacho obi bet me ask the meaning of house help. Echana no akofa bi before forever. Inti yes so yebekosa we will go.
House help is a person employed to assist with household chores.
Okay.
And daily tasks in someone's home.
Okay. Me pacho Mr. Chum. What's the explanation on my for house help now? Oh, so that
as a make statement to be
and no faton chow de
yanko imposter and me pay information
Menka so ye imposter one kasa wo ye famano a na wasan so edi bibi foforo abetum
na bia no
na ye try say ye no be pense mu a na akoye say I say on ka wa words any ebusan questions na ye nyina ye sia de wo
na kwa okasa me record na say
anya meba utie o papa statutory say statutory law means say obi a tenant a wo lease ye busa say get wo lease daddy it say ya be hu say and somehow
me ka say menti me ho ewa achi ba wo nko a wo kasa e na mayi no kre da loudspeaker me sa e bibia nhye masom e da loudspeaker. And so make us say menti bibia make us awachi. What you say? But make us say meti ewo background say kasa wachi.
Yeah, busa questions. We busa nyoma bebre, yeah busa bibia. On pese obeje ho atum fine. Say wakofa house help papa.
hold on,
Okofa brofo kese betumu. Say yen who's the statutory law na kwa wakofa a tenancy law na wakofa betum in protecting if it's only lease. And I want your tenant. Say what say obatimi ya tenant and I me busa almost say di intina obadi 18 utuno ose oye off age and akwa answer cause obati say me pachanyo on na busa question and say obatimi tina nche. Me pachanyo busa question bisa
Obisa question bisa but that answer of
me ba una me ma wa answer me bo me Charles so obusa sa question na when busa
yeah obisa e
me ba what say busa question ye say ya beti okwa na wakofa statutory cause obi tisua no ni meaning of statutory wakofa meaning of statutory abeto so ama yehu ama say kra ya be hu sa law no in protect girl no cause the in protect girl no say only lease
rent
onchia rent Enti sa long no crime protecting no crime and rent control ba. Say what's up for aba say house help. And mama yeshe meaning of house help. Enti me pacho to our question so.
Metima kasa.
Ada bi sweet generator me pacho ma Mr. Chimumbusa cause oba so umbusa na question ni ye. Am answer na nkofo fofo abusa. Ti Mr. Chim to aso. O say house help aye dey.
The question is
o question is
DJ, what I want to say to for what you are manager your own.
Yeah, sweet generator me pacho so.
When I want to say true for I was your manager your own.
Me dem Mr. Chum started na me wa.
Me release me your man no bre and I don't know release no. No, but question no yes, say question
for. You may camp purely law.
Mr. Chum ain't in the program say. What purely law no and no answer na Sheila and me say minimum law muntimity and I may more fun.
More statutory law.
You see and the crack and say Mr. Chum. What's a ma who can you buy your baby say and the crack and say.
The patrol
me camp purely law, but definitions be and the offer back where will become a questions.
And I said,
my definitions be a acts in this statute. I define style of
me only a Ghana law. Me patcho and Ghana law. Me patcho
school now quiet the law. Me
great. Me patcho
professor. Very disappointed.
The great. Me patcho minim so ni moderator. Me patcho mute one moment, mama. Me patcho teme. Yawaha, yenyina yebeka ya. Yawaha. And I start busa question. Obusa question no. And I find the meaning of every single word. Also, girl, you're protected by statutory tenant law. Yasha meaning of statutory meaning. A statute be a protecting call for. Ye be who say statutory tenant law na o kano. E be protect you obi a you obi o lease. Girl ni wo lease dabi. Inti aye dinosaur law na protect you obi. The great patch okoso. Mpacho. Aye dinosaur law na protect you obi. What's the ma walk on the tintin theater here for the pussy?
Me perceive me answer ma Mr. Chum. E what this
some man wouldn't it him, Miss so. What the about to Mr. Chum dear so into manini no one and son what the atom so why Obapa
Mpacho
Mr. Chum the tintin theater here for the kukakusi.
Maybe my question I'm the buy say on mum and
Dabio sisi adia wo ka no ho asem eyo prega ho asem na wo ka enti eya brofo akakakei ene wo law ya wo ko sua ye kakra wo KUS na sefue wo hu ne say girl ne sisi ani gina bia wo he
only to me say Akosua etinam
enti sisi ani ya wo nkwan say yetimi tu ne frifie wo wugitum
sabe pepe
enti sisi ano the opesa o ma girl ne tene ho asese onwo no ho no hya se mpake na ne o ma meboa no ntunko meboa
ana na me person ke do law no be chiechiem say na say e fa so
me pa cha wo law ne de ba bia wo nam ne just come back school again me ma nya law no wasama wo kan me no gina ba bia wo bedi fo me nko school ni bi nanso wonsama wakan nyina se me no mienu ejina baabia na me no yi no 111 say ya ubedi for to the stand said there can be a contradiction and using that word law so my they go no chat GPT e the year no anka bia anka be ama but what sound so I bold essence so use law e the air back with defense papa ehu would the jina baby defend you obi awo oh my god nemu a obema nipa nanim aguase I'm telling you so me pacho ma Ghana nanim nguase me proud of you say that menya case mama wa bedi machi but baby a wo keka kono ehu intime slow nya abotre na sua ne yie sane e be ya daache ye be fa obegina oman afidie so say ya wontoto papa so te say baba jama anom ebe toto papa so a enne ye hu no adwuma omoye no de wuye ete se baba jama ayi fati temo ne de no ye ebi na wugina he
David omode informant to mo no omode
asempa me ka cha de waye ni sisi ano ete se fati temo de pepe ene ayi 14 karat no ti USA ho na okofa ma me letter beto ho a on na ese wako school enim nuoma no a one read letter na nuoma line by line entimi underline the ewase no ebi no waba beye in fact e was say sua de yi
no na omoka de ensem patanti obode
media bema tumberma
Oba hasa obebo defense. The first question I
tumberma na mesre ade ni wagwa wagwa
sweet generator ebusa question. Obusa question we na wo ba so say yenim say statutory tenant law e protect
Sheila.
Or starting free.
Or starting free, baby, and I will be say, what is the meaning of payment? And on no car say, it's either money or kind.
Baby, or statutory, you know,
or basono, and then all the buy.
Oh, okay.
One question, answer who ye and I busa say what I say, and will be a question or chogu as or question. And the question I made the man. I'm sorry, answers now made the man, I reading, and all baso be defense. Into a buy and no chairman say minim say statutory tenant law it protected girl if it's a nephew watching minim I know meaning of statutory because I know a statute or mudi shemra but I wanted everybody to understand and until I make us and bro for Kessian my year explaining na man besi so na besi the year kind of so into one mom answers now me the ma one mama bank or be defense is again bet me at nephew because that statute of law a protector. That was his main purpose or the buy. That was the question of Busamino. And
also you sue the word effective occupation.
I know crowd all they say the young chasso because effective occupation and until I'm a
also make it payment of kind.
I know crowd already you who such a GPT no. There is difference no of kind. Maybe some say version ben or use what me read me will be read. I know
free from her bass.
No, I request is a brush because you busa. Into defense tactics and all boy. It wasn't anything.
Yeah, boy, I want you to hear. And to that's how buy a good research.
Yeah, tell us Oko YouTube Kurana.
And for YouTube. And for YouTube. Yeah, for YouTube. Ebe to see what for chat GPT eba. And I will see and ya de won wa ya na so pe chat GPT. And I want some pe Google. Yan follow. Lo yi ni ya kan ya ba be si baby ya.
There are some videos
some videos to check bra.
Say there are some videos me join live no e be chere ma dwene bu ana de kwa be jia so na ya dade ti everyone was say mo mana ko say me to baby na ba na me be information come wan
yet was say what you was say
me do wa me also me jira so dem ya
wo ba ha e de wa
me jira so enu ana de
Oh, Mr.
You Chumberma. What kind of what by her ever show wagon? But sir, I dear way I would buy a dear Wagwa. Wagwa.
Yes, yeah.
What about Mammy no me and no what I say ya.
But my mama and
Now came here and better yan to change come remu say. What you say? But Miss Sobemena, Miss say, me ya chinije for pa. Na me ba ha say me chinije no me de call from kakra. Ba me so with the school bata wa chinije ho a me sraw. Ye good research. And yes sir, ye mu bi wa ha. Ye be ma won say sifom. On say about professor nyadi. Ekovara. Watch the na wo ye den. Wo sia e school. Miss Rao Bema. Wadawroma. The me ama wo ne say. Wo be a good lawyer. E wo ye my Ghana. But baby I wo sha say Ghana yen specialize wo ho no. Miss Rao ye specialize wo ho. Miss Rao. Nemom eba na wo out now practice ya obetimi aka say wo we hu ni bi wo we mu ne. Te say ye wo kromu ha say ye no. Ye nyina ye nim cleaning. Ye nyina ye nim nneoma bi ye ya bi before ye nneoma bibi ni a ono wa specialize wo criminal law no. Wo de be gina with immigration law obetimi anya sa broad minded na boa. By Bronii or specialize wo criminal law so ho a wo de be gina immigration law ho a obey confused. And it's what the Ghana mindset no was national platform international one say please try to learn and try to go with the flow. And now say wo be sha say ehunu say wo be sua de. But aka say wo use the same mentality in dia be gina baby say wo be gu ho anim ase. And no na me so me de madwen chema wo say wo make you stand e wo low mu a me so. Know your specialty and make sure say why the one major ho and sana wo beto aso baby for why dey enya sa obeje anim guase Miss From Bemena.
Okay.
Who don't what ye ni sa mame emetum because who call hospital doctor bia a doctor. But ye were the Osha would ye were the or ye day obia ye were need doctor or into case a doctor be a doctor into aqua doctor home no as soon as ya now what the aqua see your yes saying who Mr. When Beba was one now was so a munio mena ye to at wegu I was in a call ye and wouldn't you say
Jimmy Brave
at a star where ye mind ain't me so. Abosom wo ma mo komokra no ye wo bia e bi komunsuo ene na se fontie bia nchichemu wom entie megina bedwam sei men enye hu finsa me pacho wada woroma opani nidim mami su kaka na kono munsuo wate
ne ma wo say sene na ba sha
me pacho hwan na e wa asembisa biem
e pacho mbisa wo video bi cover minim se Sheila hu dia minim se Sheila hu sa video na
Richie
o se Sheila say
video bay
if the na mo kasa mama say what at desert me
I can't really
you miss the
it's I can't really no name you miss the pick account no right
oh okay
yeah if I can't
yeah, but I have a church, salad and your church party.
I mentioned no name. Okay. May you number for no name. Why? No real quick. May Pacho no name. No name. Pacho or question.
There be me here, Mr. Chum also. Me want one question from Mr. Chum.
Hey, now Mr. Chum boko.
Yeah, Mr. Chum.
No. More for Mr. Chum.
Mr. Chum ain't me Ember. Ain't
Mr. Chum.
One year crema, Mr. Chum. Sheila, I need the great. You are asking proper. Why any wine na a yomodia?
What's the day ben a wine a yomodia?
Property I can was why na eye omodia.
Property in so why now him say yeah why there.
No, maybe some more questions.
No, I'm asking you a question.
I don't know.
Me pacho be mute in ho. The great Obusa me know the great question.
Yes.
Me pacho.
The great TM Tiobo. Yedi kaya explaining joint property da. Ye be ready for letter no. Ye nyina ye was makacho say ya konkonsa for ye bedin konkonsa ahye nyankopon ani monyam. Enti dia property na dia ya ne dia ne ni nti wo so dia na onimu ni bibi foforo na if e won from me.
Betimi abodin.
Me pacho mimi ni nti mimi busa so onim bibi foforo. Property by na aka ho asem.
Wo betimi ayi me question anu a.
Me ba beso me busa question o tie me o. Property by na aka ho asem.
Asinkomo amudi ni ho asem na me.
Enkomo by na na edi wo betimi a kire me mu nkomo kra na edi.
Ya woni Mr. Chuma edi me.
Enkomo by me pacho answer me. Enkomo by na edi Mr. Chuma. The great thing answer one na wo tie. Me pacho tie me.
Me pacho mu hold on.
Hold on.
I'm asking you a question. We not fighting. Why should we fight?
Betimi answer.
Me pacho Sheila, hold on. Matthew, what dey nyabote me pesa me busa no name.
My name is Mr. Chum entokwa.
Me pacho no name.
Mr. Chum question. Let's move to another person.
I have a question.
Who do you have a question for?
Maybe someone say property.
Mr. Chum
why would you know?
Mute.
The question.
No name. Nyabotre mame.
That's all the question.
No name. Nyabotre mame. Miss Queen Emma. Queen Emma. Me pacho nyabotre mame. No name. Wada Roma. Dent na ma wo frustro ha.
Nkomo na ye di about
nkomo be na wo te ya enu ti ye di a
enu na mu di about eviction no. Mr.
Eviction about what?
Na nkomo be na ye di wa ha.
One hwan?
Nkomo amudi wo program ihu asem na make.
What e den ne den?
Na nkomo we na mu ni mi di ne sa no.
Odo ewu. Aha say yesua de. What about the question Maya? Yes, so ya twa baabi a wo free ba. Ebe yi ano no. Na ntimi enyi wasem na no. Enti ya pa wo wadwenkyere. Ya pa wo wadwenkyere ansana. Ya hunu say dia wo ba ye na no na wo ye den. Wo say ye no. Enti ya busa wa enye kwambone so. What you say?
Enkomo bebre na akoso what you say.
Exactly.
De enye bia no say oh e bia ahia ana ama no
but me can eviction na kwesi say dia so ma me kan kwa woni ma sem eviction ko mu na ye mu di
wo ke so the eviction na sound wo de nya hwe
eviction say obi a oni dan so to me na ye tu na frifie ho eviction koma ye di no han Ananya no na wo plan wasem.
Yes, me jina so me tie na me di ba be yi Mr. Chum na no.
Okay.
Inti na ma me bisa say property ni hwan.
Me pacho me bo Mr. Chum ne ye yi na no ana say ye nyina no. Obi wo so obetimi answer me. Mr. Chum na ye nyina no.
I never
said the great me pacho me pese hold on. No name.
I never, Sheila.
Nobody is saying you said that. I'm not accusing you. Don't use that word. Hey, don't use that word. Wait.
Don't yell at me.
I'm not yelling. You're not my child. Why should I yell at you? You're not my child. I'm not your mama. Why should I yell at you? For what reason? Daddy also me yelling. You're not my child. I'm not your mama. Why should I yell at you? Me pacho would tell me. Yes, started program be there be a more divert. And only a dear mempen. Say yeah, can't asem. And come my dino. And a Mr. Chumubaso, sweet generator basso or koye. Na Mr. Chumabaso. Mr. Chum de Yakobaha, no Akobaha, or the Yakobaha, ye disan commona ye day, avie. Ye didn't common if ye yano have first row, or first row, and cost in Komaya can be brebe. Or for Mr. Chumway, Mr. Chum no see ye no your busan is all question be. Also, any question for be a fine. Wabaso, your busa or question, or sit there be Mr. Chum, or pay Mr. Chum, or Mr. Chum no so call. Ye busa set and come up also a question fine. We busa me question. Miss me busa question imu ye cause mentiasie. Answer question now. You cannot answer. Say, or say enkomo bay. And on the great busa say A say B. Cause we need to go straight. And to me pacho what question be busa na and now what addition be added. to what we are all discussing. I also I discuss it. No name.
No name.
No name.
I think the no name Mr. Chum ni ha into the opposite worker no dey ka. Okay? Mr. Chum ni ha. Enti the opposite worker na bi o wase o betimi ate. Into the
no name. Winning BB. Ye ba ha say ya. Ye the questions, questions ano. Ye the questions, enye de bia na obenya question. Obe the question beba obenya answer. Etada ye the questions, questions ano.
Big so.
Enti sa oba ha say ya. That's all the time I had the questions, questions ano a. E was so wunya abotre. Now what the question now what the buy you know. No name. Also the question no.
The great anu na for no name so. It means say na me ba but new issue for no credit e ba ko. Anu na
me ba nya abotre. Kaisa na wa se ho obusa se.
Anu ni anu de hin na ko no so.
Me pa cho kaisa oba se ho obusa
when the great na na.
Me busa se lawyers for me no ase. Me be to
me pa cho me ka se me nya lawyer. Sweet generator, ye didn't come waba.
Also, Gasa day.
Men Casa me a lawyer.
Now, some men Casa me also a lawyer. As some kind of I can make one make fun of it. Some make fun of it.
I'm not fighting. I get you.
Young Nkansah, so you media go kwa bede wa humi Nkansah your lawyer. No answer lawyers for me no shama bo bi.
Me me interest sakra na obetro na wasi ho. I'm not saying I'm attacking you. Me say sakra na obetro.
Na say no name na Nkansah.
Me patro bi wa
person drop in no name.
Me na me drop no because
which generator? Oh, that question in Busa.
Mon patro say
no name request.
Broken heart.
Na me person na me add on to Mr. Chum. Baby I no free ban.
Me who ya answer or starting a question so be was so original swacha. Was starting question or starting ya na mature se meaning baby and a question echo. Cause sweet generator and a baby question.
But your no name are requesting you. I mean see a
Nyabote mefobi. Mefano.
Sweet generator and a baby question obusa question obi na busa question na ye go mess ni any din komo. Enti ani go mess din komo no. Ena ye go mess din komo wie ye no. Ena obi busa question. Obi busa question ni a friend in Kowidia na bibisa get on the crown and the great so nim ni bono.
Yeah.
And so ono ni busa question no. Ye answer ni wie ye no. Ena me ba so na me be church mu. Ti me church mu wie ye no. Ena sweet generator ba ye. Na me kwa me say enti din we o ma me na de to ani ye kan ye kase ye. Enti ye ka wie ye no. Me answer ni wie na me busa na say o wa asem foforo kan o say o dabi. Me ni asem foforo bi aka. Ena boy ne ba Mr. Chumu ba say obebo defense with the statue, you know. Enti ahona me ma yenyina ye explaining ye definition. Ye busa ne say payment or si made in kind na me so oboa. There is no way a payment ye made in kind you go through bibia na ye wie. Me pa chenya sa na kosi ye. Na no name of free. O free na ye busa say o si Mr. Chumwe on brand ye say o Mr. Chum ni ho. Enya ade obetimi aba. O wo question. O say webusa yes ye busa o say enkomo be cause enkomo ye di edoso. Why wasem? I don't get Ghanaians because we are not straight.
You don't get Ghanaians. Now, who you Ghanaian?
Me pacho, I'm Ghanaian, but I don't get ourselves. I'm a proud Ashanti woman. 100%.
Don't try to be smart here. Me buy.
I'm smart in which way?
You answered me. You
maybe I didn't answer you because I didn't know where you were coming from.
And I'm maybe so question.
Me pacho, what question say? Do you have a question now?
I was even trying to educate Mr. Chumuno. If not maybe so, I say he na property na there so that when I get that information, let me Mr. Chus okay because property na joint.
Me pacho obusa ya na man say busa na say
without the other person's consent. That was the only thing I wanted to talk to Mr. Chuma about so that obeti ne ho ase wo ho into whether nipa na we no will wanya will it was a joint property. Into no okunu no yere no property no maye no Okunu grant me fair chire and for baffle from it nephew horse or the number.
Did we talk about this?
Therefore, all this
No.
conversation now, Mudi, no, me no, my journey life on the time now, Mudi, come over.
And no name, na my busa one.
Me bet me patch me about the great patch me by and come on me bet to see and come on, Mr. Chum AD. It's not me can't say Mr. Chum, must occur. And besides, say, why na property na your dear? That was my only question to you, Sheila.
Did I ask you your question back? Okay, meba. Ubusa my question. Miss me busa on ask me the meba. What was the question that you asked?
I'm done. As soon as I cannot see into Manu.
That's it. Do you have a question?
I don't have a question, and even if I do, not for you. Thank you.
That's fine. Thank you too.
Because this
have a good day.
Now, Ukasa be blowing Casabiana, Okaso being Casabi.
Me patcho men kwana mababa me kasa the great Queen Emma, JG and Bronii, Kuna, Sweet Zanareta, me patcho men kwana mabaswa makasa.
There be makasa pan in there.
And what was the discussion and topic that we were talking about?
So it was about the eviction letter.
Inti me patcho, okase me ba program so be program me ba system me kwana me kasa. What does it mean?
Do not discuss me here.
What the fuck can you do if I discuss you?
No name.
What can you do when I discuss you?
No name.
Fuck your mama.
And everybody else.
I'm a hell of a
The great me patch be different wife.
No name why na ye pass.
Me patch o temio. O say me baswa. Me nkwana me pesa me kasa me patch me baswa me nkwana me kasa.
Grabo kwenzi iyewu.
Me patch me buy me nkwana makasa.
Debbie.
Me nkwana makasa enti the accusation now will make you say me baswa me nkwana me pesa me kasa. What does it mean?
No name.
You were here to defend it. Ask for your help.
No name.
Ask for your help.
No name.
What is the meaning of it?
Sheila. I never asked for your help and I will never do.
Shut the fuck up.
Your mama. Shut the fuck up. Go tell that Jackie you call it
guy. The great Mr. Baby fan wife.
Did I ask for your help? Every time you sabotage, you come in to sabotage me. I don't give a shit about you.
Sheila,
no, they great. Do you know the trick that they are doing?
I do. Man, who baby is free by
the great unim trick on my first day me ba so na me obeti wani ye di nkomo into omo yesa omo pese host na drop hill host na drop hill na obuafu me pa cho temi na obuafu ubufu na akome so onsa me kan first day so obeka ya me ka sen nya dia me befu ebeko waba so ye di nkomo obaye ye busa wa question wabusa question me so ye busa cause nkomo na ade baye no ye di nkomo na wo wabetom Ubetom no, who say a property near Winder, and a year busa a property bay was in common and a yedina. Cause property the adorso. Property I'm a patriarchana, yanka property bay break. Yanka be break. And tis a busa a property bay. Also, Sissy into yes, a busa. Ne enden me patronim dem a mammy who ne enden or say a debia baswana on Kwana wood church, me patcha me buy me Kwana Macasa. JGM now was so from your study program where me patcha me buy me Kwana Macasa.
Debbie.
The great men pastor Becca, oh Casa, Mobacasa or your bias. JGM me patcha me buy me Kwana.
Who cares?
I've been
Sweet generation me patcha me Kwana Macasa.
No.
Mommy been a boss, so Nicodemia today, Nicodemia.
Yeah,
and I'll be question.
Nigerian
name. I'll be question, no. And I'm a bet unsigned, maybe unsigned or so, tears, and I'm a busa, send me patch on me from me persamico. Obi wa questioner, onka, and a sweet generator crab and a minute, I'm saying, Tidin, where my betting your boy and your S square X, and a yen and I cassign a street, ye and will be free. Or be free or be defense, meaning baby and in common air court. I'm say, oh. Me money pen come on any day and kosa. And to my busano, not one explaining every little bit. Your free girl been an arma de pass a day. Or say on a kind of casa by in a color. Let me busan as a law by me patch man catchy baby. Okay, so me ma will share solicitor. Or say a solicitor and barrister, you're different. And I me ma will share solicitor and barrister. Eh, the same thing. You'll be our study law or court. Me patch will share and you're the same.
The same.
Come on, I walk on. Eh, differently. Obi ni so na obe help ya. Obi tim from me ma na wate. Me patron nsɛm a ɔkɔfa ba yɛ nyinaa yɛbɛhwɛ mu no.
Even no chance the question was, we a lawyer. And our case I want your lawyer. We a wench. Yeah. Yes, yeah, dear. Maybe a minimum dear. Whenever addition banner a year, intellect addition
they try to sabotage.
Some people
they can intimidate me.
Yeah, some people honestly speaking, my tear from the scratch, me femu dai kra me knu kra ne benyane me. Let's be honest. Babe me pacho me ba. Let's be honest. Sorry. Let's be honest. When no name came, me chumbusa questions no almost started long. So me da kra ma dozy of na. So I came back na mitia from the statutory all throughout. Let's be honest. Whenever intellectuals are talking.
Eti Abusuapanin Sheila enkomo eni kokoti bi no mesrew. Say afenu adwane me obe follow your platform for more updates. Aha eguso eye Daily Gossip TV. Ensema Sheila kan eni edu ba bi a say de nkofo bi si ne ekontopa up and down no. In fact, edu ba bi omo say Sheila so ekasa in the harsh way. Do you think say sa na tie anasa sa enye sa na tie free actually wadwen under the comment section efa. Aha and I'm do this makam.